ComicBase comes with a ton of information about its items, and that's great. But let's face it, your computer's display is only so big. So, if you're working in the grid view, one of the best things you can do to streamline things is by just having it show the fields that are really important to you, and hiding any of the ones that aren't as interesting. To do this, go to the Setup menu's Columns to View command. Here, you'll see a list of all the fields available for each of the types of media that ComicBase supports. Now, it's probably worth noting that different editions of ComicBase are going to show different amounts of fields here, with the Archive edition giving you the most choices. There are standard presets for each collectible which let you quickly choose from different styles of work, or, better yet, you can manually choose the exact way you'd like each collectible's grids to be laid out. You can hide any fields that you don't want to see just by unchecking their Visible box. For instance, if you don't really care about the colorist or cover inker, you can free up some valuable screen space by unchecking them. That way you'll have more room for the fields that are more important to you. Similarly, you can add new items to the grid which aren't normally listed by just checking to mark them as visible. In addition to choosing which fields you want to see, you can move them up or down in the column order so that the most important information is close at hand. For instance, if you're on the hunt for new comics, you might want to move the wanted field right next to the price field so that it's more convenient for you to see if you're looking for a particular comic and to mark it off once you've gotten it.